Hello, Rennes. Thank you for your mail. I'm just going to show you how to find your homework. If you go into the calendar, you can see there's a letter here you can open. And then you can see you have to do 20 minutes of German TV. And then you have to make a short reference. You don't have to make this one. You just have to see 20 minutes of German television. You can see it on the telly, or you can see it on YouTube. This is Monday, you had to do that. On Wednesday, you had to click on this link, and then you have to hear what the song is about. Find one yourself and write it in German, and then do 20 minutes of grammatic. If you have to stay home next week, you have to go in this one in your calendar and watch what you have to do. If you have any question, you can call me due to school time. I hope you have a nice weekend and see you on Monday.